If you want to check activation date on Realme Note 7T, then first of all we need to open settings. We're gonna scroll all the way down and go to Google. Now over here we're gonna tap on our profile that we have logged into before and go to Google account. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. And now we should be able to find your devices. So let's go ahead and choose it. And then we have Realme Note 7T. So let's select it. You might need to enter your screen lock password or use biometrics. And then you should be able to find the first sign-in date, which in my case is over here. And of course, this information is valid only if you have been using the same Google account right from the beginning after the initial configuration. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.